Welcome back to my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua. In this video I am telling you about Pi music player, offline music. So let's start the video and let's talk about it in detail. But guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. 4 great themes: gloss theme, black theme, dark theme and light theme. All these themes are available. Moreover, you have option of this beautiful main screen, powerful 5-band equalizer by which you can equalize each and everything, ringtone cutter, essential multi-select options, play option, add to playlist option, added track info, share, delete, play next, add to queue, set as ringing tone. Moreover, when we talk about its extraordinary features, it involves ringtone cutter, equalizer, Pi power share, sleep timer, smart playlist, audiobook and podcast, theme setting and others, beautiful play screen, single 1000 airs and all that. So offline music player, mp3 player to play music offline, equalizer audio player. Looking for a stylish and powerful music player to elevate your offline music experience? Look no further than Pi music player. This feature rich offline music player is designed to be your one-stop music app for all your audio needs. Craft the perfect music experience with built-in equalizer. Take control of your listening experience with equalizer of this audio player. Fine-tune your audio with 5-band graphic equalizer, bass boost, 3D reverb effect, virtualizer and 10 preset to create the perfect soundscape for every genre. Effortlessly organize and play music. Navigate your music library with ease using intuitive interface of this music app. Browse through all your audio file with the enhanced folder view of this music app, or play music with the built-in smart playlist like recently added, most played and Pi favorites to rediscover. Hidden games. Create personalized playlist. Don't just listen to your music. Curate it with this offline music player. You can create an unlimited number of custom playlists to match your mood or activity. Whether you are hitting the gym to work out or unwinding after a long day, craft the perfect soundtrack for every occasion. Become a ringtone master and much more. Thank you so much guys for watching, and must subscribe my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua. Keep watching, keep supporting.